So this is US oil analysis for Tuesday, the 10th of April. Now let's just have a look at where the price and where price may likely go. So previously we saw this sell-off here in the US oil, formed a low, a bit of a higher low. Now from this higher low, and we did see the momentum follow through to the upside, breaking beyond 62.54 and the 63.05. Had a brief consolidation pullback, didn't quite retest this 63.05. What we did see was this continued progression here to the upside. We've had a break of the 63.76 brief consolidation, and we are seeing that momentum follow through here on the US oil. Do appear to be having quite a bit of strong momentum. We've got a sharp move for all the way from that 62 level, so we're all the way up at 64 at the moment. So we do seem poised to test that 64.76, the very next level of importance, marks out here in blue. Successful break from the 64.76 if we are to see this bullish momentum continuation here, and we are looking for prices to move up towards that 65.60. We're looking for prices to move up towards that 65.60. If we do hold on to 65.60, then the progression up towards our most recent highs, especially of 2018, in around that 66.71 may just come into focus here. So those are pretty much the levels that we are looking at here to the upside. Again, if we do break down, we'll look to see if we do hold support of that 63.76. See if we do hold support at 63.76 or move up towards our 64.76. And again, if we do break beyond 63.76, now in around 63.76, we do have that confluence of the 400 and 200 period moving averages, thus increasing likelihood of potentially finding support at that level. But if we do break beyond that level to the downside, we're looking to see if we do hold support over 63.05 or possibly down towards our 62.54 here on the US oil. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 62.54. So I wouldn't anticipate price moving down towards 62. I'd expect 62.54 to be the far end of range here to the downside if we do see strong sell side momentum. And we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. So over at the daily chart, we can see here. So what we can see here is we've got a low, we've got a higher low. Didn't quite break down to test those lows. Instead, we do appear to be putting in another higher low. So if we do see this momentum follow through to the upside, we look to see our prices test our old highs here in 2018 in around that 66.71. With that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.